IPv4 and IPv6. Application protocols for IoT. These are the application layer protocol is HTTP, MQTT, COAP and AMQP. Transport layer TCP, UDP, network layer, physical and data link layer protocol. In the IoT architecture, the application layer is the top layer. Okay, it defines how IoT devices communicate with application like mobile apps, web dashboard or cloud platforms. Application protocols handle data formatting, messaging and control between devices and application. These are the work of application protocols, means handle data format, message and control between device and application. What are the application protocol? Application protocol are rules that govern how a message are exchanged between IoT devices and server. They decide how data is sent, received and understood. Such as when a temperature sensor sends data to a mobile app, an application protocol like MQTT or COAP define how that data is packaged and transmitted. Means if a temperature sensor send data to mobile app, then application protocol have the function, have the responsibility that how that data is packaged and transmitted. Common application protocols in IoT. MQTT, message queuing telemetry transport. These are the lightweight, reliable, uses publish subscribe model for a smart home and industrial IoTs. COAP stands for Constrained Application Protocol. Work on UDP, low power simple REST based model for sensors and constrained devices. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is web based, uses TCP and widely supported, used for the cloud-based communication and web apps. AMQP, Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, used for secure, reliable message delivery, used in banking and enterprise IoT. XMPP, Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol. These are the real-time messaging and device control, used for the smart appliances, instant alert. Radius Data Distribution Service, real-time data exchange, peer-to-peer communication, used in the robotics and autonomous vehicles. And last one is WebSocket, used for the real-time bidirectional communication, IoT dashboard and gaming devices. These are the some application protocols, which is their features and their uses. MQTT, COAP, HTTP, AMQP, XMPP, DDS and WebSocket protocols. Some models, if request response, which protocol use HTTP and COAP? Device request and server respond. What will be the device request and server respond? Publish subscribe, used by the MQTT and AMQP protocols. Device publish data and subscriber receive it. Push-pull model, used by the WebSocket. Continuous data update from the device to app. These are the various model, and corresponding that model, what protocol will be used. These are the some COAP and MQTT message model. Application layer, application, then request response, then message, then UDP, then IP. Similar by MQTT message model, first is application, then request or acknowledgement, MQTT control packet, then TCP and IP. These are the model of the MQTT message and COAP message. A smart home using MQTT. A smart home devices like light, fan, sensor. These sensors send data to the broker, and these broker distribute message to the subscribed devices or app. When a motion is detected, MQTT message turn on the light. Okay, in the smart home, if I enter means motion is detected, then MQTT message turns on the light, means some message will be delivered to the broker and broker do the accordingly task. Why use lightweight protocol in IoT? Because IoT devices have low memory and power. Protocols like MQTT and COAP are preferred, and since they use less bandwidth, consume less power, work well with unstable network, hence use the lightweight protocols. Some compare between a standard protocol MQTT, COAP and HTTP. This is very important table for the comparison. Transport layer में in the case of MQTT use TCP for the transport layer. COAP में use UDP protocol. In the HTTP case use TCP. Power usage, MQTT uses very low power. COAP uses also very low power, and HTTP uses compare high power. MQTT used for the continuous data updation अगर चाहिए then we use the MQTT protocol. सेंसर कम्युनिकेशन के लिए यूज COAP प्रोटोकॉल. वेब बेस्ड ऐप के लिए HTTP प्रोटोकॉल विल यूज्ड. कम्युनिकेशन मॉडल MQTT यूज्ड पब्लिश सब्सक्राइब, COAP रिक्वेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स, HTTP यूज्ड also for request response. These are the comparison table of the protocols of MQTT, COAP and HTTP. Now is the transport layer. We see the transport layer. In IoT, the transport layer is responsible for end-to-end communication, like devices, sensors, and server. Transport layer is responsible for end-to-end communication. It ensures data packets sent from one device are successfully delivered to another. Data packets sent from one device and successfully delivered to another device. It ensures data transfer successfully. Roles of transport layer in IoT. Its function is data delivery, ensure data reach the correct destination. Error control, detect and correct the transmission error. Flow control, manage data rate so receiver is not overloaded. Means if one device has data transmission is 10 Mbps and receiver has capability to 2 Mbps, then this protocol should transport layer has to decide how much speed data to send to the receiver so that not to the overload on the receiver. Segmentation and assembly, break the large data into a small packet and reveal them at the receiver side. Connect means if a data is large, then break into a small packet and give and rearrange in the receiver side. Connection management, establish and end the communication session between the devices. Common transport layer protocols in IoT. TCP and UDP is the protocol in transport layer. TCP means transmission control protocol, which is used for the reliable and connection oriented, ensure data arrives correctly and fast, and it is used for the web apps and HTTP based for IoT. UDP is user datagram protocol. UDP means user datagram protocol. It is connectionless protocol. Okay, UDP is connectionless. May lose some packet but use less power. Means lose some packet but also use less power. It is used in low power IoT such as COAP, MQTT network. Application transport method means this application transport method. Transport layer, these are the transport layer. Source computer is a destination computer. Application transport network link layer, connected internet work link, again internet work link, router, these are the router. Go to the destination of the computer link network transport application. Transport layer, end-to-end communication. These are the end-to-end communication. Ensure correct data received on the correct destination. It ensure TCP transport layer ensure the data received at the correct destination. UDP and TCP. UDP send request response request, then again send the response. Here in the TCP sync acknowledgement, then data will be sent.